Hey friends, today we are going to be talking about a secret story. We've talked about the secret story a little bit in the last couple of weeks. We're going to talk about it even more this week. It is the story when we see two vowels together, just like we do in this word. And this word I see A and I together. And I don't know what sound A and I say when they're together, but I remember the secret story. Do you? When two vowels go a-walkin', the first vowel does the talking, and it likes to say its name. So I know that A and I together are going to say A. Now let's try to sound out this word. T-er-a-n. T-er-ain. Now push it all together. Train. Train. Good job. Now let's try to sound out this next word. I see A and Y together. Do you guys remember that story? Remember, A and Y are so cool. They put their thumbs up and they say A. They're on our cool little poster with the sunglasses. So they say A. So they still say A's name. So they still work together like a vowel team. Now let's sound this out. D-A. Day. And we should know this word because we see it in our words Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is the last part of every single day of the week, so we should know this word. I see two vowels together again, so I know the first vowel is going to do the talking and it's going to say its name. So E-E must say E. Sh. Eep. Sheep. Sheep. Let's try this next one. Two vowels together. So two vowels go a-walkin'. The first vowel does the talking. And it says its name. So this is going to say E. Eat. Wait a minute. I noticed A had A-I and A-Y both say A. E-E can say E and E-A can say E. So we have different vowel teams that can make the same sound. All right, let's look at this next one. Do you see the two vowels together? Do you see the secret story? I want you to try to sound out this word. So O-A says O. O. B-O-T. Boat. Boat. Did you get it? Good job. Now this next one, some of us have talked about with our secret stories, but O-W actually has two sounds. It can say ow or it can say o. Let's see which one makes the most sense here. Ow. Row. Is that a word you've ever heard of before? No, me either. Let's try the other sound for O-W. O. O. Row. Row, is that a word? Absolutely, row's a real word. So, in this word, O-W is saying O. Just like in row, row, row your boat. Just like that. So what you guys are going to be doing next is you have an activity on Seesaw here. All of these words that have the long A sound are where A is saying its name. You are going to color it blue. So long A words will be blue, like D-A. So you're going to color all of this in blue. I know you guys are on your iPad and this is a little tricky, but I still want you to try to do the best that you can. It might be easier for you guys because your iPads are touchscreen compared to me using my laptop. All right, and then long E words are gray. Look, it's our secret story that we just talked about, A-Y, gray, gray. So long E words are gray, just like Oh, I see an E here together, and I know that says E. That's the long E sound. So this cloud, it will be gray. I'm just going to go along the outside of it, but I want you guys to color everything in the best that you can. Alrighty. And then the last one we're going to work on today is long O words are going to be red. Like right here, I see O-A, B-O-T, boat. So then I'm going to color this in red. So if the word has the long A sound, color that space blue. If it has a long E sound, color that space gray. And if it has a long O sound, color that space red. Have fun!